Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Back in the she shop. We are continuing our efforts to improve our office supplies. Working on this bad boy today. I started it in the last video. So if you haven't seen the last video, I mentioned then that I normally spray painted these. So back in the day, I did office supplies like crazy. Well, now they make cute office supplies, so I didn't have to do it. You can though if you have these, is what I'm saying. But I always spray painted them, and it's Minnesota and it's cold and I don't have a place to spray paint them. So I'm brushing this one. This could be my downfall. This may be where it all goes wrong. I'm going to be honest with you. I've never brushed one of these. This is actually pretty good. So this side, I mean, it's blotchy, but that was to be expected because I'm putting a very light paint over a very dark paint and I didn't use a primer. And I'm really surprised with how well it did, and it's holding up. So I got to paint the other side, and then hopefully we're able to get the second coat on at least today. This is its sister piece, which is now well, good and dry. And I am going to remove it from the she shop. So it's, why does it look blotchy? It doesn't look blotchy in person, but I pulled it up to the camera and it looks weird. Does that look blotchy? Not in my eyes here. It's the studio lights. It's the studio lights. Makes everything bad. So it's a cute little tape dispenser. I haven't decided if I need to do more embellishment. Do we need to do more? Donna from Distressed Donna had said a fun saying. I don't know. I don't have a fun saying to put on there. I'm open to suggestions. Maybe something cute, like a little mushroom or something. I don't know, like something fun. I've got those mushroom decals we could do. Or some bling, a little sparkle. I feel like everybody's got sparkle. Like, you could go to any office supply store and find a blinged out stapler. Maybe I do a little cottagey thing with the mushroom decals. Just kind of do a little cottage scene on the side or a little outdoor scene on the side. I'm thinking something different. Maybe flowers. I have flower decals. Yep, I still have flower decals. I have birds. Ooh, birds. Ooh, cute little bird. So it looks like he's sitting on a, oh. All right. There are options is what I'm saying, but that is still curing. I'm using a mineral paint, which I mentioned in the other two videos. They take up to 2 weeks to a month to cure. They need to cure before you start pulling tape off of them or using a stapler. So if you don't have patience, this is not for you. Use the spray paint. That's still going to take 2 weeks to off gas and cure for that as well. Heads up. Paint is dry to the touch. It doesn't mean it is ready to be hammered on. You know what I'm saying? Like, not time to use it yet. Give it a little time to cure. The off-gassing, the smell of spray paint, people have a problem with. 2 weeks. 2 weeks at least for the off-gassing. All right, let's get you guys turned around. We're going to get the second side of this painted up today. And then go from there and decide what we're going to do as far as any embellishments. But I feel like I need to wait for that to cure before I embellish. I'm trying to set everything up here and not fling my paint across the room. Okay, so here's, right? So I put the paint in there, and when it closed, it's like, stupid. Let's not do that, because pretty sure that'd be a bad idea. There'd be paint everywhere. My husband is on a tear about organizing the she shop. My doom pile shelves here. So that may happen soon. He's chomping at the bit. He would like to get, he's very good at organizing, and I have ADHD and autism, so I'm not very good at organizing. So he's like hyper focus, OCD organized. So he wants to come in and organize my stuff, and I think I should take advantage of that. So that may happen soon. So I'm trying to get a couple projects done and off the shelves before he comes in to judge me. That's what I feel is going to happen when he comes in here. I feel the judgment coming. Only because I've been married to him for a very long time, and I know how his silence is a judgment. Let's get to painting. And he actually kindly asked if he could help. He didn't he wasn't a jerk about it. He was like, please, please let me help you. Cool. No, I gotta get in there. Okay, so that's dry, and then I scratched the other side because, of course, I did. Anyway, so we're back on to our next. Look at this. When it covers the logo, this is the perfect opportunity to put something fun there. Look at it, it's gone, and now we can put, like, I don't know, flowers or something. Personalize it to our space. Let's fix this. Okay, while I was waiting for that to dry, I was packing up my glitter and going through my transfers and stuff. And what I think I'm going to do is, you know, I love this paper. This is a decoupage paper from, I don't remember, but it is one of my favorites because it is, can you see through it? Can you see my thumb through there? It's a paper like no other. So it's more like a fibery fabric. You can see my thumb right through it, than a decoupage paper. And it lays down beautifully. And I keep seeing like these flowers along the edge. And are you seeing this here? Like, wouldn't that be cute to have just, I love vintage florals, old roses, love them. Peonies, roses, anything sort of vintagey looking florals has my heart. That's why I have a collection that is getting out of hand of vintage floral ticking. Better start making some pillows. I'm going to have to ask my mother-in-law to teach me to use her my sewing machine. I have one. I can't sew. I need to learn to sew. So she's the only person I know who knows how to use a sewing machine. And for years now, she had a little cottage industry of making pillows for me. And I sort of kept the retirement community in business for a while, but she's not doing that for me anymore. And now I need to make pillows. I want to so bad. But anyway, I have an obsessive love of vintage florals. And I think this paper would be so cute. And we could cut some of the roses out to put on the stapler. And I would love to hear your guys' opinion before I do any of this. So if you want to comment and let me know how you feel about roses on there. Yeah, let me know. So I had done a tin can, like pencil holder, planter kind of thing. And I think I still have it. in the same. We did the same, and it's so cute. It's so freaking cute. Or did I sell that? Hard to remember. I've done so many projects. Sometimes I look back at all the photos of everything that I've done, and I go, oh, right, yeah, that was so cool. That was so cool. So anyway, still drying. Let me know what your thoughts are on doing the roses. Otherwise, we do have the mushrooms. I am less excited about the mushrooms because they all skew with a red. Well, except this one, which doesn't really look right. So for context, the red really doesn't look right to me. That's the only one that doesn't have mushroom. This one looks weird. I don't like that one or that one. But these was kind of what I was thinking. And then I went, they're too red against the pink. So that's why I think I'm going to have to go with the florals. But let me know. I'll get back to painting. Okay, I have 20 minutes before I have to pick up my kid, so let's get this wrapped up. I've got it open now, and you can see we're still on our first coat in there. The crumb coat. Oh, did I forget to rinse my brush? Yeah, I did. Oh, no. Okay, hang on. Luckily, it was still wet enough to clean it. So sometimes you get lucky. I took a lunch break and forgot to clean my brush. It happens a lot, unfortunately. Is it absolutely necessary to get all this in here? Probably not if you're doing it yourself. For yourself, you probably wouldn't care. But I don't know if I'm keeping this for myself, so I care. I mean, it's sitting, when it's sitting on the desk, you're not going to notice all this. That's not going to stay, that little piece there, but whatever. We're going to do it anyway. This is all going to get scratched just because it's very tight going in and out of this space. So, I mean, really what I'm doing is worthless at this point. The texture of this paint is rough. Into my, wait, like when I touch it, it feels rough. So I feel like it's just going to scratch right off. But it's starting to look really cute. So we're just going to leave that. I'm going to clean my brush again, and then it'll be time to pick up my kid for the evening. And by the time I get back, it should be dry. Let's just leave it alone for now. It's very late in the day. It's like 10 o'clock at night, but I don't think this is going to work out because you can see here, it's very tight. This paint is very dry and it's a little thicker than like spray paint. I'm going to have to think on that one. But otherwise it looks pretty good. It's a little dull. I don't know. I don't know. If you have any solutions, let me know. Otherwise, this is what we got for now, and I'm going to have to think on that one for a minute. Let's see. It's still staples. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Happy chunking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.